Hello again. This is third installment of the 8080 assembly tutorial, and today we're going to revisit string.h, and we are going to be doing the STRLEN function. So let's get started right into it. It's pretty simple. So it's strlen, and then you pass in the string pointer. This is going to follows string.h, right? And then string, right, is going to be in HL. And then I'm going to return int 16. This is going to be kind of cool. Int 16 length in HL. So you can have an int 16 size string, and it'll work. It's not too difficult. So strlen. Okay, let's start. So first we want to push BC. This will preserve the counter because we're going to need BC to count and HL to increment through the string. And then of course load the counter to 0 first. Okay, and then move M to A, so move HL to A, and then we got to compare, right? And A check if A equals 0, because 0 is the string termination character, and if it is, we're going to jump to N. Basically, we're going to jump. If it's 0, then we're done. Then end if 0. We don't, I'm saying end right now because we don't really know what we're going to be doing. The end, remember, is going to be this. It's going to be move, we're going to move the counter to HL, right? Move BC to HL. Because this is an 8080, there isn't an HL BC swap instruction, unfortunately. There's a DE instruction, but we want it to be HL because that's usually what you return int 16s to and pointers to, especially in 8-bit 8080 assembly. And then we want to return, we got to restore B. Got to restore BC and then ret. That's going to be the end. So this right here is the end of the function. Anyway, let's do the meat of the function. So now we're going to increment the HL. And then, of course, you got to increment your counter. And then, of course, you got to jump all the way back up. And all the way back up is +4, right? Because we skip the push, we skip the LXI, which is 3, and you go back to the move. And then loop. And that should be good. And then we can recap, we can calculate this. This here is 14 to the end. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then here is at 14. And we're good to go. Now let us write a test program if we can. And then okay, let's see if this works. Cool, that works. I don't know what that was about, but now let's try changing it to, let's try changing the string. And there we go, we have STRLEN. Pretty easy to do. I don't know what this was about. I'll worry about that later. And I will see you in the next one.